Welcome to Gallant IAS, and in this session I am going to share a strategy with you which is about how can we simplify the mystery of preliminary examination. Okay, uh, preliminary examination is not about the questions that you know, it's about the questions that you do not know, which determines whether you are in the list for mains examination or out of the list. It is because of the fact that we all know that there are 100 questions in preliminary examination. Okay. However, a well-prepared candidate you can get a maximum of about 40 to 45 questions as sure short ones in preliminary examination. Okay. And in order to pass the cutoff mark, you have to make at least around 65 questions as right ones. That means you have to guess a lot. And we all know that guessing is about probability. Okay. So that means you cannot make every question that you have guessed as right ones. Okay. So that you have to attempt at least around 90 to 95 questions in order to get this much right, this much as right ones. Okay. So what I mean is that guessing is an important part in preliminary examination. Okay. There will be logical reasoning can be used in some questions. Okay, intelligent guessing can be used in some questions. Okay, sometimes your own intuition can be used because as you are a serious aspirant, you will have a lot of accumulated knowledge that you have got through the preparation process. Okay, so then how can we use that knowledge in order to attempt the questions that you do not know? Because there must be some connection between what you know and something related to what the question is about. Okay. So in this session, what I am going to do is that I am going to share a strategy. I am going to select some questions from your test series and also from the previous year UPSC examination, UPSC preliminary examination, and solve it by using how can we use logical reasoning, how can we use our common sense, how can we use our intuition, how can we use intelligent guessing and all. Okay, so let us start with the first question itself. Okay. Firstly, I'm going to take some questions from your prelims test series, test 7, which is current affairs. Okay. And I will discuss how can we use all the opposite things in your question paper, in your questions. Okay. The first question in your test series, which is the test 7, is in the context of recent advances in missile technology, Pinaka system is a Pinaka system. It's about the Pinaka system. Okay. And the options given here are option A is about a supersonic cruise missile. Okay, supersonic cruise missile. Okay. The second option is about surface to surface battlefield missile. Okay, surface to surface battlefield missile. Okay. Option C is about quick reaction surface to air missile. That is the QASAM. Okay, QASAM. And the option D is about a multi-barrel rocket launcher system. Multi-barrel rocket launcher system. Okay, this is a straight question from UPSC. It may seem that it's a straight factual question. Okay, and if you are a serious aspirant, you will definitely know the answer to this question as a Pinaka system is a multi-barrel rocket launcher system. Okay, it was there in the Republic Day parade, it was there in the newspapers and all, of course. And how can we use the guessing technique? How can we use intelligent guessing in questions like this? That is what I am going to discuss. Okay, so let us go for some loopholes, whether there is any loophole in this question or not. So the first thing that I felt is that there is a word called system. There is a word called system. Okay, what is a system? A system is a composition of different units. Is it? A system is a composition of different units which are interrelated to each other. For example, our body is a system, a biological system which is made up by respiratory system, the digestive system, and all. Okay, so that a single missile cannot be called as a true system. Isn't that because it's a single unit? Is it? So that in that from that intuition, from that conclusion, the only true system in this option is the multi-barrel rocket launcher system, and all other are single missile units which cannot be called as a true system. Is that it's a weird method of guessing. It can be because if you as I said earlier, you have to attend around 95 questions in the preliminary examination, and if you are in a position you need to answer the question somehow, then you can go for methods like this. Okay, and also there is one more loophole in the same question, which is about Pinaka. If you know Sanskrit, the word Pinaka means it is the bow of Shiva. Okay, the bow of Shiva. The bow of Shiva. Okay, What is a bow? Why we are using a bow? Yeah, bow is a launch that we use to launch something, is it? So that from that concept, if you know the meaning of pinaka, the only launcher in this option is option D. Okay, all other are missiles, which means they are arrows. Okay, so the only launcher in this system is option D, which is the multi-barrel rocket launcher system. Okay, this is what I meant about guessing. This is what I meant about intuition. This is what I meant about logical reason. Okay, this is how even a factual question can be answered with the limited knowledge that you have. Okay.